Real talk, mamas. When you are waking up at 2 in the morning for the 5th feeding of the night, your lower back is aching, and you are literally dreaming of a 5-star resort in Aspen, the last thing you want to sit on is a squeaky, stiff rocking chair. Breastfeeding is an absolute marathon, not a sprint. If you are going to spend hours every single day nursing, soothing, and pumping ounces upon ounces of liquid gold, you deserve to do it in pure, unfiltered luxury. Today, we are unboxing a $3,000 designer glider for your nursery. Is dropping $3,000 on a nursery chair actually a game changer, or is it just overpriced hype? We are spilling the tea right now. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to destination for navigating motherhood with top-tier gear, sanity-saving hacks, and serious luxury style. Whether you are earning airline miles jetting off on vacation or creating a calming sanctuary at home between flights, your recovery and comfort matter. So grab your iced matcha, kick back, and let us get right into the unboxing. First, let us talk about the ergonomic support, because nursing posture is everything. Standard chairs force your shoulders to slump, which restricts your milk ducts, strains your spine, and makes late-night feeds completely exhausting. This custom glider features motorized, whisper-quiet power reclining and zero-gravity weight distribution. With one discreet touch, it glides into the exact same lie-flat comfort you would find in an international first-class suite. It supports your arms and back perfectly, making it seamless to latch your baby or run your cordless wearable pump without hunching over. Next up is the Bougie yet ultra-durable performance fabric. Let us be real, spending thousands of bucks on furniture sounds terrifying when you are dealing with messy diapers, spit up, and spilled milk. But this piece is crafted with stain-resistant Italian leather and wipe-clean treated boucle. When accidents happen, a single gentle wipe handles it with zero staining. Plus, with hidden high-speed charging ports built right into the armrest, you can recharge your phone, watch travel vlogs, and power up your breast pump battery while your baby contact naps. It brings that sleek airport VIP lounge aesthetic directly into your home. Finally, let us look at the long-term investment value. Cheap nursery furniture gets tossed after 12 months, but a designer piece like this transitions effortlessly into your main living room or primary suite long after the toddler phase ends. If you ever decide to rotate your gear before taking off on your next European vacation, high-end nursery pieces hold massive resale value on luxury parent resale platforms. If you're looking to elevate your nursing journey with comfort that rivals a 5-star hotel, this glider delivers on every single level. Smash that subscribe button right now for more honest high-end baby gear reviews, breastfeeding tips, and jet-setting mama hacks. Drop a comment below telling me your biggest nursery splurge, and we will see you next time on Milky